Let's begin. I'm starting with my Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk Hydrating Primer. I've used this one for years. It really helps my makeup to stay on all day and it gives a really nice flawless finish to my foundation. I have used this foundation for years and years. It's my absolute go-to. I really love the finish that it has, which is quite luminous and really flawless, but still natural and perfect for every day. And I normally use maybe a pump of this because I think that's enough to cover the whole face. This concealer has also been a firm favourite for years. It's the Lancome Tin Idol Concealer and I really love using this just on its own without any foundation, and it gives a really flawless finish and bright under eyes. I love using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Bronzer in the colour Tan, and I just use this as a contour colour and just try to add a bit of definition. I then go in with my Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush. You only need a small amount of this and I really love that beautiful warm colour it gives to my skin. I feel like it just makes it look more fresh and more awake. I don't go a day without filling in my brows, and I really love this one by L'Oreal because it's got a really fine brush, so it's great for mimicking natural hairs. I normally just follow the natural shape of my brows and brush it as I go along to make it more natural and blend it all in together. I have really loved a liquid liner at the moment. It's pretty much my go-to, and this one by Lancome is so great for creating a really sharp and really nice fine liner. And I like to wing mine out, and I pretty much do this most days. I also do this on occasions. I feel like it's great for creating a lifted look. I then finish up my eyes with my favourite mascara. This is the Air Volume. I've used this for a long time. It gives my lashes a really full effect, and I also love how dark the mascara is. And to finish up, I'm using a new favourite. I've used this probably for the last year. It's Makeup by Mario's lipstick in Kate, and this colour is so perfect for every day. It's just a really nice natural pinky nude. And that is the finished look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.